Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 12th class, Boys Higher Secondary School, Nagri, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, you know we are discussing the pollination and its kinds, and we have thrown light upon this pollination and its kinds in our yesterday's lecture, but today this pollination and its kinds will be continued, and we have seen that what is this pollination and what are its types, and we have defined the term pollination, and we have seen there are two main types of pollination. One is called the self-pollination, while the other is called the cross-pollination. And we have defined the self-pollination, and we have also defined the two kinds of self-pollination. Dear students, we have seen that the types of self-pollination are autogamy, geitonogamy, calistogamy, homogamy, and bud pollination. And so far in our last lecture, we have defined and we have discussed the first two types of the self-pollination, that is autogamy and geitonogamy. Now today we will see the calistogamy, then homogamy, and lastly bud pollination. So regarding the calistogamy, in Greek, callisto means closed, whereas gamos means marriage. So it is the closed marriage. According to Greek words, callisto means closed, whereas gamos means marriage. Here in this calistogamy, the plant bears bisexual flowers that always remain closed, thereby ensuring self-pollination. So you should remember here that in calistogamy, which is the type of self-pollination, here the plants have the bisexual flowers, that is both male and female parts of the flower are found in the same flower, and here the plant bears bisexual flowers, and those flowers remain always closed, they do not open, thereby they facilitate the self-pollination. The examples can be here quoted as Viola odorata. Viola odorata means benafsha, or in Kashmiri we can say the nunposh. In Viola odorata, this calistogamy is found, this type of pollination is found. And one more is the Viola tricolor. Viola tricolor is another flower which is called in English pansy. And one more example can be oxalis species. Oxalis means जिसको कश्मीरी में हम बोलते हैं चौकचीन. And lastly is the Commelina, and these are the examples of these calistogamous flowers. So these are the different examples in which this calistogamy type of self-pollination occurs. These calistogamous flowers are bisexual. So you should remember here, these calistogamous flowers are bisexual. They are small, they are colorless, and they do not secrete nectar. So this was the calistogamy type of, which is the type of this self-pollination. Then comes the fourth type of self-pollination, that is the homogamy. Homogamy. In this case, the bisexual flowers open, but the anthers and stigma mature at the same time, and they are brought close to each other by growth and bending or folding to ensure self-pollination. So dear students, here in this homogamy, the bisexual flowers open, they do not remain closed but they open, but the anther and stigma they mature at the same time, and they then come to close each other for bringing about the pollination. The their they are brought close to each other either by growth or by bending or folding. So then they ensure the self-pollination. Examples here, and examples of this homogamy can be quoted here as the Helenthus anus. Helenthus anus means sunflower, जिसको हम गुल आफ्ताब भी बोलते हैं, तो उसमें ये होमोगेमी टाइप ऑफ सेल्फ पोलिनेशन होती है. And one more is the Mirabilis jalapa, which is also called in English the four o'clock plant. In that plant, this homogamy also occurs. Now, the fifth type of this self-pollination is the bud pollination. So, what is this bud pollination? Here, in this case, anthers and stigma of bisexual flowers of some plants mature before the opening of buds. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है, इस बड पोलिनेशन में एंथर एंड स्टिग्मा जो मेल एंड फीमेल पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर है, तो यहाँ पर एंथर एंड स्टिग्मा ऑफ बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर्स ऑफ सम प्लांट्स मैच्योर बिफोर द ओपनिंग ऑफ बड्स एंड देन thus they ensure the self-pollination. This bud pollination is found in especially in grass family. It is found in grass family including Oryza sativa, जिसको हम बोलते हैं राइस या दाई, तो उसमें ये बर्ड पोलिनेशन होती है. एंड वन मोर इज द ट्राइटिकम एस्टिवम, जिसको हम वीट बोलते हैं, गंदम कनक यथ वनान. देन थर्ड एग्जांपल कैन बी पाइसम सेटिवम, जिसको हम मटर का पौधा बोलते हैं या पी प्लांट. एंड दीज आल्सो शो द बर्ड pollination. So with this we have completed the pollination, and it is first main type of self-pollination and the different types of self-pollinations. After this we will move towards the advantages and disadvantages of the self-pollination, and after that question we will move towards the one more main type of the pollination, that is the cross pollination. So dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture, today's topic, and I hope you will be now fully aware about the pollination, two main types of pollination, self and cross pollination, and then the different types of this self pollination as autogamy, geitonogamy, calistogamy, homogamy, and bud pollination. And this was all about today's lecture. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.